So you've moved your classroom delivery online and you're wondering how best to manage this in aXcelerate. Well, let me show you how. aXcelerate's new virtual classroom feature allows you to embed a link in a workshop to your video conferencing platform, which will be accessed through the Learner portal. When creating a new workshop, you can add the link to your online meeting room by selecting the virtual classroom tick box and pasting the relevant link. You can also add a virtual classroom link to an existing workshop. To do so, you'll need to navigate to the workshop that the meeting room link is for. Clicking the Add Virtual Classroom button allows you to add the access link and, if necessary, an access code, along with allowing early access to the room and configuring a student notification prior to the start of the session. So now you're probably wondering, what does the student see? Let's jump into the Learner portal and view from that perspective. By jumping into the course at the top, you can see our student can simply join the virtual classroom from here. This notification bar will appear based on what you've set from previous settings. In summary, we have covered how to add a virtual classroom link to a new and existing workshop, along with the view from the Learner portal.